In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Elementor. If you're building a page layout in Elementor, columns are the backbone of clean, flexible design. They let you organize content side by side and create a structure that looks good on any screen. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can follow along confidently, even if you're new to the editor. Start by opening the Elementor editor on the page where you want to work. On the main canvas, you'll see a large area where your content lives. To begin, click the plus icon to add a new section. This plus icon is your starting point for any layout in Elementor, and you'll usually find it in the center of an empty page or between existing sections. When you click it, Elementor prepares a fresh section, giving you a clean space to set up your columns. Right after you click, Elementor will show you a set of layout choices. Choose a column structure, 2, 3, 4 columns, and more. These are preset arrangements that determine how your content will be divided across the page. Think about what you plan to place in the section. 2 columns are great for a main area and a sidebar. 3 columns work nicely for features or services, and 4 columns are helpful for compact items like logos or quick stats. There's no single right answer here. You're simply choosing the framework that best fits your content. The preview thumbnails help you visualize the balance, so pick the one that matches your goal. As soon as you make your selection, the section will be created with the columns you chose. You'll see the structure appear instantly on the canvas, with clear boundaries that indicate each column. This gives you a visual grid to guide your layout decisions, making it easier to keep everything neat and consistent. At this point, your page now has a proper column layout, ready for your content. The important thing to remember is that the section itself holds the columns, and the columns will hold whatever elements you add later, keeping your design organized from the start. That's all there is to it. Click the plus icon to add a new section, choose the column structure that suits your design, and Elementor automatically builds the section with those columns. With this foundation in place, you're set up for a clean, professional layout that can grow with your content and adjust across devices. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with confidence.